If it's your first time to come across with my YouTube channel, guys, please consider subscribe. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. If they give you opportunity between the two, pig farming and goat farming, which one are you going to choose, guys? Let's see. Between the two, guys, let me hear in the comment down below, comment section below, guys. Let me hear which one among the two will you prefer to breed with, goat farming or pig farming? Let me hear. Please consider subscribe. Let's reach more subscriber. Tell your friend to tell their friend that share this video and subscribe. Please comment down below, guys. Let's reach more subscriber. But I need you to tell me among the two, which one will you prefer to subscribe, which one will you prefer to breed. Let's go. And after everything, I'll show you the video which one among the two you need to start with and why. When we are going to reach 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to tell you among the two which one you need to choose and you need to start, and the reason why. Let's go, guys. This is not my goats, guys, but I just came here to vaccinate them. But we are still on the way. I'm going to show you mine. When we are going to reach 1,000 subscribers, it's when I'm going to show you, reveal you every secret about plantation farming, guys. I'm going to reveal you every secret about plantation farming. After we reach 1,000 subscribers. Tell your neighbor to tell their neighbor to share the video, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Then I'm gonna tell you the secret on how your goats can also give triple kids. We do that. We train that, guys. Don't forget. Share the video, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. This one is a castrated one, guys. You see, when you castrated it, become that beautiful. It become that beautiful. Nice big one. Crossbreed of Bulldog. Crossbreed of Bulldog. If you want to buy, I'm gonna refer you someone who's selling. Just comment down below if you want to buy. My best friend, Mexico, Brazilian, you guys, you are doing amazing. Please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share my video. We need people in diaspora to invest in agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of everything. Guys, if you want to do this, please comment down below. Let's discuss. Everything is proper. Everything is proper. We can do better than everything, guys. Better than everything. Because we are expect of these things. But things which are holding us down is about the money. Is the thing which is holding us down. But as long as we get money, when we get pure or good people, good investor, we can do this in a big area, in a big number, in every very good thing. You see? Because what you need to know, we have the land. The most important what you need is land. When you have the land, everything will be fine. Because for us, we have land, but we're gonna reveal you the secret of Antoshan farming, because when we are going to reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to show you a video of Antoshan farming, what we own. Because for now, I might show you this, but mine, they are more and everything, guys. Let's consider subscribe. You see, this is the thing, this is the girl which is taking care of them. Everything is fine, guys. If you try to go in there and then you say you want to grab one goat, you'll be in danger. If you want to say you want to grab one goat, say, just jump in and grab one goat, you'll be in danger from this lady. That is the... I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you reach this far, guys, please, as usual, consider subscribe, and lot of love. Bye for now.